Hello and welcome to Language Player. In this video documentation series, I'm going to walk you through all the features of Language Player, starting from the menu system. So let's get started. How do you navigate between different menu items in Language Player, and how do you switch between different languages? Here, we're looking at the Language Player homepage. This is the first thing you see when you open languageplayer.io. If you have already logged in and started learning a language, you can click on the name of the language at the top right corner, or over here after the blurb. Go to Chinese. So now we're at the home page of the Chinese language. In order to switch language, we simply click on the flag icon on the top right corner, tap. And now we're presented with all the languages that you have previously studied. If you want to study a new language, simply scroll all the way down under Learn Another Language. For example, if I want to learn, let's say, Cebuano, and my first language, let's say, is Chinese. Okay, so now I start learning. So now my user interface will be switched to Chinese, and I'll be learning Cebuano from Chinese. Let's say you want to learn, scroll down, let's say you want to learn French. French is a popular language, so it's right on top. And if your first language is English, actually, let's pick Spanish. Let's say that you're learning French and your first language is Spanish. Let's start learning. Now notice that the entire user interface changes to Spanish, and now you can study French in Spanish. Now let's look at the navigation system. Over to the left is your main menu. If you're looking at this on a mobile phone, you'll see these same icons laid out at the bottom of the screen rather than on the left. Inside each main menu, there's a secondary navigation menu right here on top. And there's a More button right here. If you click on that, you can see more items under here because there are too many items to fit on this horizontal row, so additional items are tucked under this More category. To log out, simply click on this wheel icon and then click on Log Out. All right, so that's how you can get around the Language Player app. I'll see you in the next video.